really comes in handy when you're traveling with a family of four. Whoever thought a credit card could help us create so many family memories?
Apply for the Hawaiian Airlines World MasterCard through the in-flight application, and you can earn 50,000 bonus Hawaiian miles and a one-time 50% off companion discount. Ask your flight attendant for an application to give you official coverage and life expense benefits.
Aloha! We will be arriving at our destination shortly and would like to take this time to offer you a special in-flight promotion. Hawaiian Airlines, Bank of Hawaii, and Barclaycard are proud to offer our Hawaiian Airlines World Elite MasterCard. Through this special in-flight offer, you can now earn 50,000 bonus Hawaiian miles after qualifying purchases. You'll also get a one-time 50% off companion discount for round-trip travel between Hawaii and North America. Plus, every time you use your card to purchase eligible airline tickets from Hawaiian Airlines, you'll receive a complimentary first check bag. To enjoy all these great benefits, please ask your flight attendant for an application today. Flight attendants will be coming down the aisle shortly and will be happy to answer any questions you may have. Mahalo.
Flight attendants, please be seated for landing. Come on, Joe.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to welcome you to the Garden Island of Kauai. We've just landed at the Lihue Airport. We will be taxiing to the terminal for the next few minutes for your own continued comfort, but most importantly, your safety. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, keeping all of your carry-ons properly stowed until the aircraft comes to its complete and final stop at the terminal and Captain Kelly turns off the seatbelt signs. At that time, that will be your one and only indication that it is safe for you to stand and move about the cabin.